Thanks to advanced construction technology, large-scale construction projects can be considerably enhanced in terms of safety, efficacy, and productivity. The ability to develop new types of structures has advanced significantly owing to the lengthy history of innovation in the construction industry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 5 innovations in construction technology. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Without further ado, let's start with Number 5. 3D printing. 3D printing entails layer-by-layer constructions via machines. 3D printers reproduce an electronic design in the real world, much like conventional printers do. However, unlike conventional printers, 3D printers are not constrained to a flat document, but can instead employ a range of materials to construct objects or even whole structures. Materials sourcing may improve as a result of 3D printing in the building industry. Prefabrication allows for the printing of project materials, which are then shipped to the job site where they can be used right away. As a result of cutting out unnecessary procedures in the middle, you may be able to obtain resources more quickly. Although 3D printing is still in its infancy for large-scale construction projects, complete structures have already been produced with this technology. Here are some ways that 3D printing may affect construction. Eliminating errors. When a 3D printer gets a design, it produces it flawlessly in the real world, preventing costly mistakes. Efficient material usage. Printing concrete building blocks or large structures, like bridges, is a developing industry that creates less waste than conventional techniques. Increased speed. Unlike conventional buildings, a 3D printed structure can be fully developed in a matter of days. Even though 3D printing is a relatively new and unproven technology, it is expected to have a significant impact on construction in the years to come. Number 4. BIM software. Building Information Modeling. BIM is the process of developing a digital model of a structure before it is built. Everyone involved in construction can foresee problems, reduce risk, plan logistics, and boost efficiency with an accurate picture of the building. Building information modeling is helpful in the following areas. By foreseeing problems, BIM lowers the need for subsequent change orders before construction. By providing a central location for current and accurate reference documentation, BIM increases productivity and interaction during construction. After construction, BIM makes it possible to manage a building over its full life cycle by giving owners useful information about every aspect of the construction. Global government initiatives to make BIM a requirement for large-scale facilities projects are becoming more and more common. These initiatives have been launched, for example, in India, Hong Kong, France, South Korea, Germany, and Italy. For government-funded construction projects, BIM is already required in the United Kingdom. The development of AI in building information modeling, BIM, rising demand for BIM-based cloud collaboration, and modular and prefabricated construction are among the new trends that will directly affect the industry, according to Research and Markets 2021 Building Information Modeling Market Report. Building information modeling may be one of the most significant innovations in construction right now because it influences and enhances every stage of the building process. The architectural firm Killa Design, which is based in Dubai and was an innovator in designing some of Dubai's most famous structures, such as the Museum of the Future, is one of the well-known companies that have adopted the technology. 2022 will see the release of some of the best BIM software programs, including Autodesk BIM 360, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla BIM Site, BIM Object, and BIMX. Number 3. Drones. In the past few years, drones have significantly impacted the construction industry, and this trend is expected to continue. With the use of tiny flying drones with cameras, procedures that were once very expensive can now be made more accessible. Numerous construction sites heavily rely on the use of drones as a result of the technology's rapid advancement. By 2025, it is predicted that the commercial development of drones will amount to around $10.9 billion. Additionally, it is anticipated that the drone sector will rise by $21.01 billion between 2021 and 2025. Drone use in the construction sector can be helpful in a variety of ways. For instance, surveyors can now survey a site in a matter of seconds as opposed to weeks or even months in the past. More construction organizations will publicly adopt the technology as a result of the advantages of reducing cost and time, as well as precision and accuracy. Another fantastic example is the Abu Dhabi municipality's pilot program to deploy drones to monitor engineering work on construction sites in the United Arab Emirates. To find technological solutions to complement activities on the ground, the system will evaluate the drone's resistance to extreme weather conditions. Here are just a few examples of how drones are improving construction sites. Equipment tracking. On a large construction site, leased or purchased equipment can easily get lost, but drones can constantly keep track of all the equipment there. Security surveillance. When no one is working, job sites are prone to theft of equipment and supplies, but drones can keep an eye on a location even when no one is there. Topographic maps. During the planning stage, mapping is crucial. Drones in the air quickly survey large areas of land, cutting mapping expenses by as much as 95%. The ability to securely investigate difficult-to-reach areas, like around large buildings or bridges, is another advantage of flying drones. They can also be used to keep an eye on workers and the development of a job site. Additionally, drones have an impact on construction assessments, employee safety, and progress reporting. Increased usage of artificial intelligence and machine learning is one of the ways that drones and other construction equipment will continue to advance. Number 2. AR and VR. The term augmented reality, AR, refers to the process of employing computer-generated data to add various components to the already existing physical environment. Contrarily, VR, short for virtual reality, refers to a completely new computer-generated digital world that takes the place of the existent environment with a man-made creation. Augmented reality technology is unquestionably the way to go if you're seeking cutting-edge construction methods. It's enjoyable and advantageous for both your staff and customers. Through the use of augmented reality, you can incorporate your 3D model of the design into the physical environment, AR. It implies that a client could genuinely visualize how the designed furnishings and interior will look in his home. A smartphone or tablet might be used to accomplish this quickly. Through the use of augmented reality, AR, a client could see the entire design and comprehend how it would function with the existing space. Additionally, building AI might practically let workers see through walls. The so-called smart helmets, which are already available on the market, assist the construction workers in bringing the architectural information model to the site and immersing themselves in it. Virtual reality can be used in the pre-construction stage, just like augmented reality. In this scenario, clients might completely immerse themselves in the proposed design and stroll around it. Imagine VR as the next step in 3D modeling. It produces an incredibly accurate virtual model of the thing, similar to 3D modeling. The utilization of immersive technology in VR, however, raises it to a higher level. It places the user inside the digital realm for a better, more complete experience. AI and machine learning. Machine learning is the capacity of technology to learn from prior experiences and massive data analysis, whereas artificial intelligence, AI, is the capacity of technology to make decisions without human involvement. These two innovations have far-reaching impacts on the construction industry, where efficiency and security are significantly affected by effective and wise decision-making. Here are some ways artificial intelligence and machine learning are already transforming the construction industry. Better design. Exploring hundreds of possibilities allows machine learning software to improve architectural design elements since it can learn over time. Decreased costs. Machine learning tools can find inconsistencies and suggest more efficient schedules by looking at previous projects. Improve safety. Software can examine images of a job site to find dangers and security breaches using machine learning techniques. A significant technological innovation for numerous industries, including construction, is artificial intelligence, or AI. The capacity to accelerate planning and streamline operations is something AI can provide for the construction sector. To assist with internal decision-making and operations, some large companies have begun to develop their own AI programs, while others rely on other sources, including AI advisors and solution providers, to examine their current procedures and find chances to apply AI and/or machine learning. All facets of a construction project, from planning to project closeout, will soon be impacted by machine learning and artificial intelligence. In addition, AI and machine learning are advancing cutting-edge building techniques like modular construction, which is a developing segment of the construction industry. Thank you for watching to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting ones. Goodbye.